Oh, I'm a marriage. Nadia make your afraid today. Let me say, me nyajumano. Afraid check or catch my minister. Atase or my Serwaa nyajumano. Enti me I will be me call aqua and my mina could income. The coin as a one for man cover you. Me busa, me zoom say, phone school bia or your class. Then no more or be a fan or more monsieur minimum be never fun than a cosanta. Enti ham and buffy. Dear maker Dominic ya maker ya. Nessa on and not the national the cam denico. And you no mutna say, and yet Dominic can start in fun and mean just said ya. Dominic. Best way to end the movie and you be that verbal contract and I say, who will be a more graduate.
Hello, lovely people of Poleeno Multimedia. My name is Armstrong Poleeno Ade. You can follow me on Instagram, Armstrong_Poleeno_ Ade. And I say Poleeno_com. Nini na Instagram, follow ya. Anything you want to share with us, you can share it through our Instagram page. Now I follow our Facebook, so about Poleeno, all our pages be able to follow. They be a catcher say a baha, a celeb, and also be our bought in home modern entertainment industry. Young of phobia, Saka Kemetina, and entertain common. And any pair of Nini Bedin common, your corner how be home, what boy industry ye. Yensia, Brahma, how about Poleeno Multimedia?
Joseph Poleeno.
Pasha we babo odi ache ma hefo.
Me din de Atta Boakye.
Atta Boakye. A lot of people name say Atta Boakye. Can't Atta Boakye on why in the entertainment industry.
Yeah. Maame ni kan chia wa hefo. Ani wati for. Omo mu follow Poleeno Multimedia.
Yeah.
Atta Boakye madi industry na chiache na me manage Maame Serwaa. Small girl, no.
Clara Benson.
Yeah. My production manager, my locations manager, and my producers also.
Okay. And see, in himself, Atta Boakye, I manager or producer, I production manager, and a whole lot. But then Atta Boakye, where did you start your background? Like, okay, school where he, what's now he, when you know where he, yeah.
Me go school offense, camera content.
Okay.
I want to start me call elementary, no me start or hold secondary school so miss. I want to call no.
Ne say one free ana.
I want to be free.
Ne say na be so be two bata.
Me ka se be dia me nya no.
Oh okay.
See, na me ni choice.
Nti sini na de oba Kumase.
Enye sini na de ba Kumase. Me grandpa ne omu nyina we Kumase.
Okay.
Enti na yes me call offense so saba Kumase.
Oh okay. Nti dey ampa na de obe rare movie.
The didn't be movie me dey say be 2010. Na yako production bi mu Macro.
Okay.
I na meti Macro na meti Takwa Macro.
Okay.
Enti no oya omo ye Sundays bia na omo koye we rehearsals na me yes o me dem ho kwa ka ho ti me ko didi a chire ts ka o didi a chira anti emu ho na me de be hu Frankadu Pepra.
Okay.
Ana me ne Frankadu Pepra nante kakra
na that time on pacho na one production na odi a like na uts ka mo
na
o Macro
na from a Hollywood.
Okay.
Never
director ben.
Oh, me kind ni friend Raymond but no share that need.
Okay.
Ti e ko Sundays bia.
Okay.
Ti me Frank be me ba Frank so kakra e be di Frank so chick sa na ye nanti ya anti e mo na fe be 2013 ho no na me share ma Rose.
Okay.
Maame Serwaa.
I'm fan
currency. I know yes said you share said you home city na. Opesa de Serwaa shemensa.
Okay.
Na me handle Serwaa.
That time so na say we pick.
Na oba at na en meka say en kakra. E bi amount bi na o je na ndru sa. Okay. Enti ode ne ma me no. Me ne so benantie na Nyankopon so de. On say de bia na nsa wo so a me start 7 ne ye movement no epeke nti boa na oje no ehuri ko nanim kra
okay and say o started so on any movement no epeke e ka movement there nyoma bebre obitimi e ko movement say makofa baby my movement makofa baby movement
okay be kan say me start say me ne nante no anaye tu anamo no
okay
say ordinary shame nsa say me ne nante
next ordinary fa
baby si say
o say bia ukohwe ni shebre mu ko bambo bi
na me bambo for ne rade me jerade bi
your movement I have for no say obi out the perception
any me kan say me ne nante ye
ti number so clear and
me ne nante ye say ne ma me de ne shame nsa say ata sisi me de Serwaa shonsa
next one for now ko address
me pa che de me ne rade nenam
okay because that time no you can artist and no a hot kicker name Maame Serwaa
ni nyina na yempaibo because ne maame bom paye mi susu a me ne nam no mi so mi yempaibo for enti no na do sa edini do sa pempen so no
nti you manage Maame Serwaa no encounters been on difficulties been a bit
ne de bebre bebre me ka se Poleeno me ka bedu bebe nhwe be ye nisutie because edu baby time me fa akola na menene nantene na obia amenhu ade dru se ne bo ko soro a obia ani be eba ne ho no afi na ko fast se omo ben ne maame ene ne papa we obetima abo akola no we ye ne ebetima ni se obi kura timi kokoka chen se omo de ne ma na ono betima ma na dru level bi ebetima de na tutu kwan enti omo ngini free ne nsem enfane ebem me kai se edu baby 2013 mo baby na me ye production me am ye se me ne ma me ka se ya idea adwuma na chiache enti kayetimi je ba ko bi etu baby a no se eye atawo ye be enti na musika maboa no ye se me de be production ni bi na obi akoka che ma me ne se nipa minim no koka che ma me se mi twa adwuma ni wi a mesen fra kura na chinti menene nanti bi mtumo oma akwala ne nya adwuma no miami artist amede
na sai ni pakro na oni na di ho nkomo se ebia adwuma na oba nya ne Maame Serwaa ye adwuma yo se e obu a ne na ma we ka che adwuma we pade mitimi ye wi a no amene Maame Serwaa wi
sure but no menene ni nkomo biasa oba set ni se obeboa me ti se ye production obi aba se ebia me woka ana yemfa nye rounds bi upese okofa aduane upese yesi
nti minchwa no nti de nti na botaye ben na adwen se nipa na efa nti a onka man nti ofiti ya no akọ say ni akra no di nitwa onni wachi biem na den
se Poleeno ni no nanti twitwa meka ye ka ho asemi ono no pese oka asema beto awofo ni tirimom de akwala no be ma no nti o ka
favor or say we know that favor ni pen
nti ne na man ko kasa
na say ni pa na ehre ni say
me den ka me bese me bonni
later we manage Maame Serwaa na
sure
Dominic Dominic
oni director bako mini oni director
I Poleeno Multimedia me am din komo na ye frame me Armstrong Poleeno ade send me kind no wait me follow me on Instagram Armstrong_Poleeno_ ade and I say Poleeno_com ni nyina on Instagram dem ni etwetwe nkomo yen ayi nwa ma Atta Boakye one of the yakase obi asom on industry ni ma na so wabon ho modern on industry ni ma Atta Boakye o say oni Maame Serwaa start say no obi ama ho but edru emra ebo bam no nipa start be twitwa yen nti eba sa na how
I have a pa
oboni dua
heavy me de ma me nyankopo sanse ono na o say reto wo no
nti adwuma no timi
me ye adwuma no
na
oba ye be wie adwuma na ka be 2 days ama ye wi finish akola na tena asig say adentina o so yesa ono afa ka ba set ne so e be finish na ade ye yi kwan say dan na ye wi adwuma na msa de na ekwa akra obi set so nti metik ma ye konya na me raho
but obetwa ma ade na ore ho ye
se on say ba na anwen se betima hapesa na artist na me hia omo no because of say Serwaa amada time no nti omo free okoi omo koi ebi free so koi
wow yeah rehosemo but engofo bebre ka said that time na o manage Serwaa no na yaka bibi say time management no almost say like time management at that time as to say producer we am Oscar to fix date say bia Poleeno obenya Serwaa on the first password obenya Serwaa on the third obenya Serwaa on the fifth danyo man ne o like in the time bia na say obi a opɛ Serwaa bia no date na bobɔ so nti nye date a onim so obenya no unya no
Poleeno me nya challenges was ade na wo kanu on say ya kan mamu ha no na ya sante mamu no obi pie free fie bi sisi a Poleeno a wote we e bia de bi ya de bi obi timi pie ba bi ka se Poleeno me nua no enti Poleeno ka se ene me manager nkasa anani asemasi nkasa we ka na wo Poleeno nye me no na ete sokoma me no ete daban nye wo ye na ne yeto aduane ma ari ntina me no obi nkokasa enti challenges ana me nya da bia ne se e bia me na me manager na o se FM no obi se ono akola na minima rose ye ne de ne baaye na wa famachi eni maame na kokasa ma rose se unze se wadi ya ne de ne baaye enti majuma na ye 4 scenes 3 scenes bi enti we dey opekra upon school bi ananka baba ye enti time ebia meme so me time amaje wo se Poleeno Multimedia na ebe use Serwaa no na akowura mu wo de wafa akire na wo se onim Serwaa na time wo ba nyina na de ne baaye na akowura
peno no na se wo sa nipa na
yes
wafa akire na set so but ebi to me we I think that time na me direct special effects na me say edit special effects and I think na me we secondary school for set no so me na me say script no like I saw mo ka see Nkroni Serwaa no onye twin in the movie nti na effects so nti director is one friend Atta Boakye be ka say eye ne nti bo so be frame Poleeno ye ko set ni da say me prepare that time it hash down me prepare ni ko set no I think bu akwa agogo ho me prepare me ye be ko akohie o say ama so say we nya ho eye sa to aso be 3 times ama later Obama me no e ko that time I think na Serwaa mo te pokukrum ye ko ma rules o fie ne ko kasa but still ye nya Serwaa nti sini ni ye nya ntwa time management
enti no na de saade ne baaye
nti na e ba wanim dia o hyehye ni but de fa wachi no untimi control
yes because minim ho hwe
nti e ba ne say na ye gye adwuma no free won sem prekopedi ma Dominic
me kai say script bi ba me honum na Serwaa be ye old lady abrewa me ka say me ma Serwaa nya adwuma no sa adwuma no because emwa
ne
brand no because say okoya abrewa no okoya bill eba and I'm David na aba me ho ama me ma reject na de make ya wa fa akire se me say me nya adwuma no wa fa akire ko ka che ma me say atase o ma Serwaa nya adwuma no enti me awia bi me ko akwa eni maame na kodi nkomo me ko na Serwaa ni fi ba o man ka ba bi o me busa me bisu minim say upon school bi a oya classes say na obi abe fa no omo say omunim ni bi na be fa no de ne ko santase e de ne ko ya adwuma enti ha me bufu ye na me free ko ye na minim na o ma hye de make Dominic ya make ya na say ono na e de na tena ne kam de ne ko enti e saada na me bufu say adenti na e ba sa no na nwumre na o tena ase say ene Dominic in starting van nante say ene sama mayema be hu sa na say ma se me ntia say dia ene Dominic in van nante nti free ho no na de achi location bia be ko bia na Dominic na ne wo so
na people works bi wo mana say ma ne ka say wa ho brase nti na ne say wa na nti
na eno na me kan sisi a cho eno na mesre otief ende memo bi anya bi da so verbal contract na say onu obi ehumobra die bi
na wa kan tra
ene de
unto be up so
that because paper near be Burma and Kenya. Maybe we say, ye family, ye a busianti, was a me dimini abani drew. The anya paperwork.
Say, so a percentage and our request, leave another dominic so they buy an answer.
And then,
now just say, out of Serwaa'S amount of it.
10%.
10%.
Yeah.
Wow. Atta Boakye and then Kasa Poleeno Multimedia. I was not just 10% of Serwaa'S amount. Into what that time now was in the Kembia anonymous amount and I said, "Waje." Into you calculate movies are at a try by then. They are say, "Bamshano." Send you know, Mom Kakao.
Salmon.
Says a what pack here and their producer, I'm a scabba.
Hey. Yeah, Mante.
And it's a what free when saying, how be how. Like the film career and how baby.
Because me na a donga sana me wa doma kola me wa doma sewa e yi adwuma ne sinjin me dono angasa se me nua a na me pese wo duru ba bia e wo se wo duru ente ha me
o free one sana ko obi foforo ansa no odona na wo ma no
eda so eda me antenko eda so.
When was the last time I was just
This morning.
This morning.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, didn't come up.
That's nice. And say odona that's all.
That's all.
Odona that's all. And see Atta Boakye, what is the way forward now? Like you say movie no I think form kakra producers mojuma form artists juma form. And see what are you doing now? Are you into a business, other business and as still now you're focusing on the movie?
No na yeah because I don't know yes me co school me ko plumbing but ma fanya duma me ko plumbing ma fanya duma nti no we ne na me ye nti me hu say
assist but say can still na no one hold down.
Yeah.
So what is the way forward? Are you planning on a new project? I say, are you still shooting a new series?
New project na me pese me.
Okay. Afia na Oguswa.
Yeah.
Okay. Alain say was started as an actor.
And that na me because movies be brave me try binta for to me about time wo Adoma Data Jackson Kebentum baby will be a machiao. Or the try be ankasa. And I'm in Penu push me. O push me and can come in who try and Kebianka. I think I'm a Poleeno. Come my hit. Said you were hitting.
But I hate it. Do bombshell and see before I be free. I think my name is Cuba Micacra. And
come my hit said you were hitting. My name went or Casamitra. Come try. Is that for number some trust? Is any Poleeno class on for Mincha?
Poleeno Multimedia.
Or so
Dan die upon a biamo. When him say, oh, many time I'll pay, any time I'll pay.
Or current movie, 9% betray 1 moment. Series crowd, yeah.
Good series.
What was all the betray?
See a frail wama.
Eh,
not brand in the cost rent. Now, say, you chase you.
Oh, Yama, me waba some.
Cause when you need packet one. Into your barrows and an emfa. And see, Atta Boakye, what is the next project as you are saying? So you are about to shoot a new movie. No? Are you planning to feature Maame Serwaa in the new project?
Me say me last me last adwuma in 2017. Me nene me the meet me konya no.
That's nice.
Oh yeah, to say
yeah, oh yeah, come off. Right?
Yes.
As we fracture.
Yeah, bibine. Yeah, Shaniema. Yabesa nante.
Yamo. And Obia so any better say mummy number but together. I'm be ejuma. Because that time who Atta Boakye and say Maame Serwaa. Yeah, me kai say go ejuma bi so agogo. Baby any kwan so. Baby any krom ho. Yeah. Director Kwame Safumechiao, na ejuma and offer my member director special effects. Is Obojumo, what do you mean so?
Hey, Poleeno, I knew cancer move.
And see, aside senior Jumano, say Ghana high be a case Atta Boakye. Ye be na true movies, any Hollywood 40-meter movie, maybe on so much they are very on top on very powerful. Use machines are out to say, yeah, this movie no country be any be no more they change almost supremacy. And see, you as Atta Boakye na say government can say, and I say, ye movie be na introduce something idea a bagana system in my boy, then and how be. As to say, be a ultra movie. Or share how security we should be. Focus on our security, na security are tied to country.
Say me tell question and say yeah. Say me you should be like
fa bibia opese when you saw di hunu opese bagana movie like Ghana country nim no. Feature movie my
me de your culture na me pese me de kamede ye
now say
your culture no
out there
yeah
na suatra na adults
na esote because broni kra ba bisua your culture but ye tia nim on say me no tia bi kra
and if you don't know your value
yeah the last time me nchwa your colleague na akola ketewa be gina o say obi be dware nsuo num ba bi o dware duru ye be insuo no de kwan ye fa so aleg busuntwe ba ye nim sa ne ma we nyina o metia panyini bi tikroma me nim na me nim sa de no akola ketewa na enti sa ne ma ne nyina na kamitimi ene na me pese me nya akwanya amede ye
na amrofo ni hu ze we too we
have
different cultures ye wo nyoma ye wo you can say tourist sites be
yeah last week me call anum
Mentikro ni din that day.
Okay. Ensure island e kro gunsuo so. Ba we nyina obi hu da. That's what Ghana.
Some me a okay me hu da. After this interview na o say arrange na dem ko ho.
Sa
I was say ko twama ye viewers
yes.
How beautiful Ghana.
E kro ni gunsuo so me jana me say hey we o Ghana.
Wow.
A twa kro ni wo nsuo ni enfifi say.
Ene nti ere na mu dware nsuo nim na mu de pie.
O de boat na ekoso.
Oh okay. Nti wo de boat na kwa na say the paddle we no say bi den chem bi ko yi na say e be de wako.
Poleeno ye woni ama wa ha. Nti e o say e culture na e promote nti me de minya sa akwanya na na pese me.
Ti den na we government say onyemo the film industry no.
Enya fans like onfa onmo ya on support ye. Onma ye J3 bi na se bosia kwa na ebi ode boy na se ye betua onma ye bibisa.
Are you sure say J3 ni here filmmakers near the push the movie industry J3?
Yes, ye hia J3. Eniema bebi ye hia J3 angasa de ene na ya ade a me fi se hia. Because story bi o ha metima ko fa sembe seme ye. Na budget a medi twa no enu
utwa wie so na se wantimi anton so. Na is J3 na show.
Say watcha wie no
budget no you have a good script. Watcha movie very nice. Maybe I kwaje backlist bosia kwaje any bang bosia na o de twa kama. Na wie a na se wantimi and sell it to o targeter. Na is scano J3 na kwaje ni.
Poleeno me ntwa no say me nyindi say Serwaa'S ni bi into standard a. Ye mamu afọ no ebe person behwe because aniema make say why ye ni ye na wanya akade de atwa aniema ni watwa ni ye a obi abehwe nti obenya market no because say me pese me pe ade ye si hai na ma nya nam kofa
bibia ye ti gaze me pe produce o ma nya bi ene emfa nsu
nya nya ni sa nti obi hwa na odidi atem last doctor bi ka che say sa de na ya mo ye no miti movies no na me bu fusa
ko director team ka say yepe o say onya bi o de ntwa ne sai
yenko enti obi suti abontan wonim de wo mu wonim de asi say ye kope utimi kope ti say wo pe police station kra ye say yemfa ma
ehon letters ni follow up abe
enti na wa kwa kriti obi hotel ba bi corner ba bi na show enti obi e show hwe obi dam ba bi na om dey police station.
And then said Atta Boakye can no wow hey bia na se wo sika bebre na se sika twetwere die bia na wo de abeso yase na yetimi atwase nipa ama yetimi mufo se ne be yeso ye culture na betimi reach the world no no ma hu se Ghana Atta Boakye mpacho meja wa mo akwe na se final words to my fans.
Dear me catch Poleeno Multimedia ne se sia yekodi Christmas obia nhwe ne ho ye da ye de hye abayifo se bibia se ye baye eso enye ne kure to da ye ya phone so onum san men drive o ko ba bi utu kwan obi se wani ha wani kuma pak ba bi afi se eye ne home ansa na watu aso ehia obia Poleeno Multimedia ehia obia 2020 because he pay subscribers ciao e wo se afise se na ewiase nyina hu Poleeno Multimedia enti se afiwe e wo se yehu dia ebe ye ho be kire enti dia make no
ya herefo so da wase bebre ne nhyira na afuturale mom ya da wase bebre so ba Poleeno. Thanks for watching this interview. My name as well is Strong Poleeno Ade. Follow me on Instagram, Armstrong_Poleeno_Ade. Obi se Poleeno ne yodi mpachwa ye me din pa. And obetimi asa follow your Poleeno Multimedia Instagram page no Poleeno_com. No follow Facebook Poleeno. Baby obo. Thanks for watching this interview once again. Bye bye.